right?
Sir.
Okay, what is the answer for that?
Sir, let's see.
What is the answer for that?
Sir, smallest one means it is like steps, sir.
Steps.
Steps, sir. Yes, sir.
Smallest bone in the human body is the stapes, which is present in the ear.
Ear, sir. Yes, sir.
Then next question. What is
Sir?
the that I have asked you in the class?
Sir?
What is the strongest muscle?
Strongest muscle. Strongest muscle means, sir, that's masseter, sir. Masseter, sir. Masseter, sir.
Answer that's okay, good. Next.
Sir, next question. Sir, I remember only these two. Out of the three, I remember only two. Questions, sir.
Okay, but you didn't do the homework on the science at all.
Sir.
Started in the last class.
Sir?
The topic which started in the last class.
Yes, sir. That propagation of light we had, sir. Rectilinear propagation of light we discussed. Sir? Hello.
Sir, your voice is low.
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking. Sir?
Is it clear for you now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we studied about the light, shadow, and the reflection. Right? Reflection of some points we studied in the last class.
Yes, sir.
So about the shadow also is already studied in the last class. The shadow is only by the opaque objects.
If an object comes in
Or those
between,
placed in the path of the light, it will obstruct the path. It will obstruct the light, and it will create the shadow on the screen. Right? Again, the shadow color will be black in color only, but
yes, sir.
shape of the shadow exactly depends upon the shape of the object.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the size of the shadow also depends upon the distance between the object and the light. These are the
Yes, sir.
so to form the shadow, what are the three important things are required? A source of light is required, an
A
opaque
source of light, an opaque object, a screen on a surface behind the object, sir.
that is important for the formation of shadow.
Shadow.
And what are the characteristics of shadow?
Sir, a shadow means it is black and it will not have it will not show any other color, sir, and it only shows on a screen, sir, when an opaque object comes in between the lights or obstructs light. Yes, sir.
Shadow.
Sir, I can't hear.
Pragna is there.
Yes.
Read the three characteristics of the shadow.
Sir, can I read, sir?
Which, sir?
Shadow has following three characteristics.
It is away black,
Almost
sir.
is black. Pragna, can you hear me?
Sir, please, sir, let me tell, sir.
Yeah.
It is always black regardless of the color of the object used to make the shadow. It only shows the shape or outline of the object and not the details. The size of a shadow varies depending on the distance between the object and source of light and the distance between the object and the screen. Yes, sir. Sir?
So always forms a black color only. That's the color of the object. That is the first point. Second point is what?
It only shows the shape or outline of the object and not the details.
Details. That's good. Whatever the shape or the outline of the object is there, it is only shown in the shadow, not the complete details about the object. It will not give information.
Yes, sir. Sir,
The third one.
the size of a shadow varies depending on the distance between the object
Object on the source.
between the object and the screen.
So these 3 points. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So next one is the reflecting surface or the reflection surfaces. So what is the reflection?
Means when like a sun rays reflects on a mirror, sir, that is called a reflection, sir.
Okay. Suhana, what is the answer?
Sir?
Suhana,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of reflection?
Reflection is a smooth surface reflected a parallel beam of light.
Okay, good. Next, Ashwat,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of reflection of light?
What's the
Reflection.
reflection of light? Sir, when an incident ray falls on an object, it bounces back to another direction, sir. It's called reflection.
Drona, Drona, unmute yourself. Drona, are you there?
Sir. Sir, sir, Drona left, sir. Drona and Pragnya left, sir. Only we four are there, sir.
Oh, one more.
Sir?
Sorry, I was
sir.
I didn't know.
Sir, it is clearly showing, sir, that the participants are only four.
Suhana, voice is not clear.
Sir?
Suhana,
Sir, it is clearly showing,
Yeah,
sir.
but so it's no.
What did you say? Sir, it is showing that participants are only four, sir.
yeah, we are only 4 hours. Okay. So when you
Yes, sir.
take the image of 13.5 and 13.6, in both the cases there is a, but in the first case it is a different reflection. In the second diagram also it is a different. Then what is the difference in these two?
Sir, it is showing that it is a reflection of a rough surface will be like the rays will be not in a particular line, sir, and on smooth surface it will be all like equal to, sir, equal to each other.
See, reflection will happen whenever there is shiny surface, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is a shiny surface, only the reflection of the light will happen.
Yes, sir.
Mirror. The mirror will reflect the rays of the light because whatever the surface is there, it is a shiny one. If you take
Yes, sir.
because the surface is shiny one, but
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
just wait a minute. I don't know, some network issue is there today.
Sir, now it is clear, sir.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir. Once it will come clearly, and once it is like breaking, sir.
Time it is coming. So check it out. If any other possibility is there.
Sir, I can't.
Okay. So in the first case, whatever the surface is there, it is an irregular surface. So whatever the reflected light is there, it is going in the different directions, right?
Yes, sir.
Depends upon the type of surface, whether it is a regular surface or the irregular surface. In the case of regular surface that we can see in the second picture here, the reflection of the light is in the proper way.
Yes, sir.
Incident ray and the reflected ray is this. So
Ah,
proper
yes,
way.
sir.
But when you aim for an irregular surface, what is happening here? This is the incident rays. But whatever the reflected rays, it is going into the different direction, right? One is going in this direction, the other one is
Yes, sir.
this direction. Because the reflecting surface
Yes,
is
sir.
not the regular way.
Yes, sir. FAC is yes, sir.
So because of this, the light after the reflection goes in the different angles or in the different directions. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts in this?
Sir, phenomenon means what, sir?
Phenomenon. What are the process?
Sir, I can't hear you, sir. No.
What about now?
Yes, sir. I can.
Your voice is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just you take it. The first reflection is there, right? Wherever the reflection is happening on a irregular surface,
Yes.
that is called the diffusal reflection.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
sorry. So this is the wherever the reflection is happening on the smooth surface. Then what is that reflection name? This is called as a diffusal reflection. Wherever the reflection is happening on
Sir,
the
I
irregular surface, and this is a normal reflection or the smooth reflection only wherever the reflection is happening on the smooth surface.
yes, sir.
Okay, so next we'll start about the studying about the difference between the image and the shadow. So image is different and the
Yes, sir.
shadow is different. Then what are the difference between these two? First thing is the color of the object. In the case of image, we can see exactly the color of the object. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when you are seeing into the plane mirror, you can see our face, our body, and what type of shirt we wear, what type of hair color we have, what is our skin tone, and everything clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Is it
can
the
you,
Yes,
image
sir.
or shadow?
sir, can you repeat again?
Image.
Image, sir.
When we are seeing ourselves in the mirror, we can see our shirt color or the t-shirt color or the hair or the skin tone, everything clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the thing forming on the mirror, is it the image or shadow?
It It is our image, sir.
It is our image, right? So image will give us information about the color of
Yes,
the
sir.
object. Okay. What is the second point?
Yes, sir.
It will give us the complete
Yes, sir.
details and the outline of the object completely,
Okay.
right? And third one is what?
Yes, sir.
It undergoes the
Sir,
lateral
it means
inversion.
it will show as it is how we
Yeah. So third one is what? It undergoes
are.
always.
Sir, lateral inversion.
Yeah, lateral inversion that we discussed in the last class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, that. Sir, sir, I remember some. Sir, can you again explain?
Sorry.
Sir, lateral inversion means.
Just remember lateral inversion. Now, when you are seeing ourselves in the mirror, when you raise the right hand now in the mirror, the image appeared as a left hand, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Lateral
sir.
inversion.
Lateral
Yeah.
inversion
Yes,
means
sir. Yes, sir.
the left will
You
appear as the
showed
right
that
in the.
that car word also. You
Yeah,
said.
good. So whatever the left side part of the object will appear as the right side in the
Right side.
image.
Mirror.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or right side part of the object will appear to the left side of the
Left
image.
side.
That is lateral inversion. So image will show the lateral inversion and which will give the complete details about the object, which will show the color of the object also. But what about the shadow? It is exactly opposite. It is always black in color, irrespective of the color of the object. Gives only the outline of the object. Okay. Just wait a minute.
Sir. Can you say?
Sir?
Sir, sorry. Up, sir, sorry.
Okay. So pinhole camera already studied in the last class, right? They will take the two simple cardboards and will slide one cardboard into the others.
Some,
Yes or no?
yes, sir. Sir, that paragraph I'm not able to see, sir. That paragraph.
Paragraph, which paragraph you are not able to see?
That pinhole camera, sir. Paragraph.
Okay, sorry.
A pinhole camera is just a box with a very tiny hole on one of its sides. Light falls on the hole and an inverted image is formed on the side opposite to the hole. The human eye acts as very much like a pinhole camera.
Okay, understand
Sure.
now. Whatever the image formed by the pinhole camera will be the inverted only. It will not give the real. Sorry. It will not give the erect image. It will give always the inverted image only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is the difference between the real image, virtual image, invert image, erect image? Or anybody has still doubt in this?
Sir, difference. Sir, difference between.
Difference
Sir?
between the erect image and the virtual. Sorry. Difference between the erect image and the inverted image. Real and the
Sir.
virtual.
Yes, sir.
Anybody knows the difference of these?
Sir, can you again repeat the question, sir?
What is the difference between the real image and the virtual image? Can you hear me or not?
Sir, listen. Sir, real image means and fruits we can Real in virtual. So
Real, REAL, real. First of all, those who can hear my voice clearly, raise your hands in the meeting.
yes, sir. I can.
Yeah, just raise the hands. Those who hear me properly can raise the hands in the meeting first. Only one, two. What about Ashwat and Drona? I don't know. Drona is not at all responding in the class.
Sir,
Ashwat,
your voice is breaking. Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
can you hear my voice properly while I'm teaching?
Sir, now can you repeat the question? Sir,
Yeah. Can
can
you
you
hear
repeat the
my
question?
voice?
Yes, sir. Now we can hear, sir. Before it was breaking. Can you repeat the question?
Question is, what is the difference between the real image, virtual image? What is the difference between the real image and the virtual image?
Sir, virtual image is on screen, sir, and real image is really what?
Virtual image is on the screen. Then this will be your homework for today's class, okay? Write down the difference between the real image and the virtual image,
Yes, sir.
okay?
What, sir?
Write down the difference between the
Can you
write down the
Sir,
difference between the
homework in.
real image and the virtual
Sir,
image.
what we have to do, sir? Homework. How can?
So you
Sorry.
have to copy in the
In
you have to
the,
write
like.
down the wait, Rayan, let me explain first. First you have to take the question, you have to write the answer for this. After writing the answer, you have to send that on you have to take the pic and you have to send to me in WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
sir,
Yes,
real image or
Virtual image.
okay, sir.
Okay. So next we'll go to the next topic. I think we have finished with this chapter also. Already we studied about the transparent, translucent, opaque, and the shadow. So
Real
any doubts in
image, sir, real images are like they are formed actually
your phone actually?
sir, due to the actual intersection of light rays. They are and virtual images are like formed due to the imaginary intersection of light.
Yeah, that's what. You just write all your answer in a notebook. Okay, and send me the pic afterwards. Completion of the homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any doubts in this
Sir, can
topic?
you give quiz?
Sir, another one I can say, sir. Can I?
Yeah.
Real images are in like they are inverted, sir, and virtual images are like say erect, sir.
No.
Are erect.
Not always like that. So when we study in the class 7th about the convex and the concave mirrors, here you'll understand what is a real and inverted,
Sir,
virtual and
convex and
direct concave mirrors.
concave.
Okay.
Sir,
So
I
any
think I am familiar with that, sir.
okay. So
Concave means real images are formed with concave, sir, concave mirror, and virtual images from con Convex, sir. Convex mirror. Am I right, sir?
The real image is associated with the
Our real images are formed by a concave mirror, sir. And
Sir, can you, sir, Huh?
sir, can you continue the questions asking, sir? I'll send it, sir, today now after releasing this class.
yeah, sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Revant, you're asking something, right? I don't know. Today class is not going effectively. Maybe my internet connection issue. Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's kind of.
Sorry, Ashwath, I can't hear your voice. Just muted in between.
Sir, can you give a quiz?
Sure.
Sir,
Just
can-
wait a
Sir, can
minute.
you give a quiz?
Yeah.
You told.
But you have not done the homework, right? So next time also we'll keep the